Good morning, Rax. Today is Thursday, June 4th, and today is Hug Your Cat Day. National Hug Your Cat Day, that is. Um, Thursday says cultivate compassion through volunteer work at home or around your community. Some people were doing that this past Sunday to help clean up their neighborhoods. That showed a lot of compassion. Even some people in our Rax community. Hey, how about this thing that we've got going? Check out Ippolito up on top the roof of the cafeteria the other day. The new Hope Garden being established, got the flowers or the plants up and growing. And don't forget to sign up for a time to go to school and pick up some items. I did that today. I didn't have to sign up though as a teacher, but you do have to sign up. So have a great Hug Your Cat Day and happy birthday to Shavasia. Shavasia, happy birthday. That's all I've got. We're almost there, folks. Have a great day.